Hey Sweathearts, welcome to tutorial for Vibe by JoJo. This is a really cool kind of medium tempo song. I like to use this one maybe in the beginning of a dance party or kind of towards the end. So a little insight when I put together a class, I like to kind of take it up as you warm up to the peak, a little lapse, and we take it all the way up to the end and then bring it down. So this is a good song to use kind of right at the beginning as a warm up or after you come over the peak and you're headed toward your stretch song and a cool down. That's where I would put it. So let's get started. So we're going to start facing the mirror. We're going to do kind of the side grapevine step, but we're not going to turn the body. So we're going to step right, cross, right, in, out. And then we're going to take 4 knees, in, 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 in. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the hands are just pulling in, and the knees are going in for 4. Again, we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 4 times that. Let's see it facing the front. We start 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, right, again to the right. Nice and sharp right here. Pa, pa, hit, 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 hit. 1, 2, 3, pa, pa, hit, 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 hit. Great, so we just came back to the left and we went 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna take the legs out on a diagonal. Out, out, together. Out, out. So a little hop in there. And the arm's gonna come flick away. Ta, pa, pa, ta. 2 more times. Ta, ta. And we're gonna point, point, hips, hips. Don't ruin my vibe right here. So facing the front, we just came back this direction. 3rd time, this is the 4th. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And right, and left. And right, double, and left. 2 more. Right, left, point, point, hips, hips. And the palms are down, hit, hit. All right, time for the chorus. We're gonna show the feet first and then the arms. So we go right, 2, left, 2. We're going to turn, walking backwards with that right foot, right, left, right, left, right. Then the other side, left, together, right, together, turn, left, right, left, right, left. The rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ta, ta, ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ta, ta, ta. Now the arms are going to swoop up, cross, cross. I'm not going to turn right now, but I'm going to show the hands. Out, down, ta, ta, ta. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ta, ta, ta. Now with the body turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There's a nice grab there. Grab as you cross the arms. Let's see the chorus facing the front. We go to the right first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you get as bouncy here as you'd like. Pa, 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 pa. Yeah, so you two, you're on your own level. All right, after the chorus, we're going to take it up to the mirror. We're going to take the hands, we're going to grab the wrist, either wrist. We're going to go hit, 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 hit. And the heels go heel, 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 heel. The hands come out, cross, out, cross. And we take that right foot back, hit, hit, left foot back, hit, hit, same feet, out, 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 out. Facing the front. We went rock your body, rock your body. 1, 2, 3, and back. Rock your body, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that move facing the side is really pumping, pumping, and then booty and heels. Pop, pop, pop. Pump, pump, ta, 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 ta. Good. So after the first verse, chorus, and breakdown, we go back from the top again with that verse. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Knee, 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 knee. Left, right, left. So 4 times total. And then we have those flick outs for 6. Point, point, hit, hit. And then we go into chorus again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That repeats. Again, up to the mirror, rock the body, and heel, 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 heel. Pump back, heel, 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 heel. Now there's a little right here, vibe here, and nice and slow. You can do both hands. You can hit a pose, but you have a little bit of a rest there before we take it next section up to the mirror. Now, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, 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 out. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, 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 out. So if you go out, out together, out, out again. Arms are groove, 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 push, down and push, down. Groove, 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 push, down and push, down. So taking that breakdown up, facing the front. We just did it the second time with the verse and chorus. We have the nice little breather here, rest, as we go front. 1, 2, 3, 4, push, together push, back, right, left, push, together push. One more time, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back. Last time, 1, 2, 3, 4. The only change is point, point, hit, hit to get ready to go again into the verse for the final time. Yeah, so we come up with the legs out, back, legs out, up, legs out on the back one. 1, 2, 3, 4, point, point, hit, hit to go chorus. Chorus, verse, and chorus, and that's actually all of it. Let's dance it.